Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you are enjoying a happy and healthy life. In this video, I will be sharing some tips with you which help me to keep my plants fresh and healthy even during these months of burning summer with around 45 degrees Celsius. The best tip to protect your plants in summer is to provide them shade. As you can see, I have covered this area with green shade net and turned it into a mini tropical garden. Now, these are the plants which don't tolerate direct sunlight and likes moisture around them. You can see these plants, and even this passion fruit vine is fresh and happily growing in this 45-degree temperature. Here I have moringa, mint, syngonium, asparagus, araucaria, and other tropical plants. So this shade provides them diffused light and helps to maintain some humidity in this area for longer hours comparatively. They look happy because of the shade and humidity trapped under this net after misting them. This is the net which I have used here. It is 50% shade net and I have used it as double layer just to make it stronger. You can use even single layer, there's no problem in it. I actually avoid using more than 50% shade net because it doesn't provide good circulation to plant, good air circulation to plant. Another tip to keep the plants fresh in summer months is to water them regularly and in the morning hours, let's say 6 to 9 a.m. Especially where I live, here we cannot choose to water in the evenings because the water, the tap water gets extremely hot and it is harmful for the roots. Even the plants don't get enough time for photosynthesis if you water in the evening. But when you are watering, water them thoroughly. Also try to shower the plants while watering. It helps them to cope with the heat. The plants which are planted in the ground or in bigger pots, give them proper baths every other day during the summer. But the smaller pots or the plants which are kept under shade can be misted twice a week only. That would be enough for them. In this region, summers are comparatively longer and hotter. It's almost 7 to 8 months. And during this period, we cannot allow the soil of the plants to get dry. We need to water them on daily basis. Water and mist them daily. They will be thankful to you. During long summer days, we need to make sure that the plant soil doesn't get dry quickly. Now it's a task to keep it moist throughout the day in the heat. To cope with this problem, I mostly mulch my plants. And for this, I use garden waste. It includes cuttings, clippings, dry leaves, etc. And this extra layer traps the moisture in the soil for longer hours. And with the time, it decomposes and becomes fertilizer for the plant. Inshallah, soon I will be discussing other ways of mulching the plants. When we fertilize the plant, we normally plow it a little bit to mix the fertilizer, which exposes the roots to heat. This causes burning on the leaves. You can see here, I was digging this from many days and see, it is burning now. And here is my 6 months old guava plant. See how fresh and green it is. Because from last 4 months I did not dig or plow near this plant to fertilize it. I will be doing this when weather will be better or temperature will come below 30 degrees. And now you can see new growth in this plant without fertilizer. Small pots should be watered thoroughly during summer because their soil gets dry faster. So water them till the water starts coming out of the drain hole or the base of the pot. After this, you can use a saucer under the pot. The extra water will be collected in the saucer and it will help in maintaining the humidity around the plant, which will really make the plant happy. Now let's talk about pot type to be used. Living in Gulf, I prefer to use plastic pots instead of terracotta or clay pot. I will tell you why. Clay pots are good for plants, but here these are less available and more expensive. Secondly, water evaporates very quickly through the pores of the clay pot. So we need to water the plants twice a day, especially in summer. As per my experience, plastic pots are a good option. Plastic pots are available easily here in different range of colors, sizes and price. As it doesn't have pores, so it retains moisture and doesn't allow the soil to get dry, unlike clay pots. If you don't want to spend on plastic pots, then you can even reuse water bottles or empty containers like yogurt containers. See, this is a yogurt container which can be used as a plant pot. You can make hole at the base of this container for water drainage. You can use its cap as a saucer. It can be nicely colored or even without color it can be used, and you can use it as a hanging basket too. See you with another video. Till then, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.